Hey motor lovers, welcome back to our channel where we'll be giving you content of car interior designing and other upholstery projects. To our day ones, thank you for your love and the support, and to the new subscribers, welcome to the family. Now on today's project, today we have a VW Polo for door panels. To start the process, we start by stripping off the door panels from the car. On this part, you have to be very careful and fully focused because there are the cables that connect the window winders, the cables for central locking and speakers. You do not want to tamper with them as they will not function afterwards. After removing the door panels, we strip off the attached cloth material to use as templates. Then we clean the old glue from the panel. Make sure that it is clean, smooth, and free from oils. Next step is applying the glue. Now as you can see, before applying glue, Mr. Bones makes sure that his cutout pieces are perfect fits for the door panels. And then from there, he uses a brush to spread the glue evenly onto the door panel. Make sure that every part is covered. Once the door panel is fully covered in glue, spread some glue on the vinyl piece. Leave it both to dry for a few seconds before pasting it together. While we're at it, let me tell you a fun fact about today's customer. Today's client is not a one-timer, but rather a returning one. We did their seat covers 3 years ago, and amazingly, the seat covers are still in great condition. That just goes to show how premium quality our service is. Now to finish up the project, Mr. Bones places the two pieces on top of each other and begin to stick it together. As you can see, he slowly and smoothly sticks the vinyl onto the door panel. This is to avoid air bubbles and wrinkles onto the material. And to wrap it all up, it's time to put back the panels onto the door. Here again, we have to be very careful. As mentioned before, there are wires and cables that connect door winders, central locking, and speakers. You do not want to tamper with them. And that's today's project done and dusted. Thank you, motor lovers, for your love and support. Keep sharing, liking, and subscribing.